Whoever said versatile has to mean complicated, or that affordable has to mean short on power, has never met the cordless multi-head tool from Dalin. This cordless multi-head tool helps you easily conquer your DIY projects without a garage full of expensive specialized power tools. Dalin's 12 interchangeable attachment heads connect to the cordless body to get the job done right from start to finish, while an extra compact 18-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery keeps the device as light and portable as possible without losing its powerful kick. See for yourself how much you can master with the cordless multi-head tool. "12-in-1" means everything you need in one hand. So ditch the expense and hassle of specialized, complicated equipment and prove all you're capable of with the cordless multi-head tool from Dalin Power Tools.